Hi guys, I'm going to have to do this in two parts. This one's a long homework. Regents Review homework number 12. Number 1, to keep track of his profits, the owner of a carnival booth decided to model his ticket sales on a graph. He found that his profits only declined, or is going down, when he sold between 10 and 40 tickets, which would represent his profits. So we're looking solely between x equals 10 and x equals 40 for the number of tickets. And during this part, we want the one that's only going down. Okay, and the only graph that is going down here, all right, is number 3. Number 2, Jordan works for a landscape company during his summer vacation. He's paid $12 per hour for mowing lawns, which is represented by M, and $14 for planting gardens, which is represented by G. He can work a maximum of 40 hours per week and would like to earn at least $250 per week. Okay, so here we have to remember money plus money equals or goes with money. Okay, but we want inequalities. So I'm going to get 12m plus 14g is greater than or equal to 250 because it's at least 250. And m plus g is less than or equal to 40. All right. So we find that our answer choice is number 1. Number 3, which value would be a solution for x in the inequality? All right. So we have to solve this. First, I'm going to subtract 47. On both sides, I have negative 4x is less than, and this is going to give me negative 40. Divide both sides by 4, negative 4, I mean. When we divide by a negative, we flip the sign. So x has to be greater than 10. It cannot equal 10. So our answer choice is 4. Number 4, which graph represents y equals the square root of x minus 2? Well, there's two options. You can type that into y equals, or you can remember that it looks like a lowercase r, the square root function looks like answer choice number 4. That one would be a really easy, fast question for you to do. Okay. Up next, the student plotted the data from a sleep study as shown in the graph below. The student used the equation on the line y equals negative 0.09x plus 9.24 to model the data. What does the rate of change represent? Okay, well, rate of change is my slope. All right, and my slope is connected to x. So my slope is equal to negative 0.09. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out answer choices 3 and 4 because they are talking about increasing by 9.24. All right, now if it's a slope of a negative, that means we are decreasing or going down. So our correct answer choice is number 2. Number 6, Lynn, Jude, and Ann were given the function f of x, and they were asked to find f of 3. All right, so over here on the side, I plugged in f of x into y equals, and we're going to look when x equals 3, and the answer is 14. Okay, and the only person that answered 14 was Lynn. So our correct answer is number 1. Lynn is the only correct answer. Number 7, which expression is equivalent to? All right, remember, equivalent to means that the tables match. So type them all into y equals. Find which one matches. Okay, this was my starting one. And the one that matches it was over here, y4, which is answer choice number 3. Number 8, Vinny collects population data about a specific strain of bacteria over time in hours. There are 4 different equations or functions. Put them into y equals and find which one matches. There's the 0.04, 1.8, 216, and 332. That was answer choice number 1. I will be back later to finish up part 2 of this homework.